Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back to your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. And with that being said, I hope that you are all having a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are out there in the world. The holidays are basically here. I mean, guys, we're cutting it close. The end of the year is almost here as well. We're preparing for 2024 because I do believe that 2024 is going to be a pretty big year. I've been talking about it and addressing it. 2023 has been a huge year. Listen, I seen a comment saying, oh, it's always next year. It's always this year. Guys, go back in time and tell me where the market was in the beginning of 2023 to where it is now. It would be ridiculous to say that it has not been an incredible year for crypto and even XRP and Ripple. And talking about that, one of the biggest things that we have been addressing on this channel is the expansions on Ripple's side. One thing that we addressed back in July was Ripple's plans after the lawsuit, because again, during that time, XRP got cleared. There was some great information that we were able to find within those documents that were telling us, hey, Ripple is most likely going to win this thing. And now we're just waiting for the institutional sales settlement for Ripple. I don't think that that's going to do much for XRP, but I could be wrong. But during that time, we also seen this article, which was Ripple's next stop, service expansion in the UK and Ireland. And again, Ripple has been on par with this. They have been wanting to expand rapidly. And even during this time, we did see a few big things. One of the biggest things that we seen was, well, guess what? Ripple expanding into Singapore. For those that missed it, here you guys have that report. This was from June 21st. This was actually right before the lawsuit even got announced regarding XRP and XRP winning. We're honored to obtain in-principle approval of a major payments institution license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, allowing us to offer regulated digital asset products and services. And also, key thing here, scale customer use of XRP. And that's a big statement there. But also, on par with this, we just seen another massive announcement to build upon this. But before we get into that, I also want to share with you guys what happened after they were honored to obtain this in-principle approval of an MPI from the MAS. Monica Long, being in Singapore a couple weeks ago, felt like night and day compared to the US in terms of open dialogue with regulators, and thus being able to build innovative and compliant products. Compliant is key here because we're going to come back to this here in a second. Big shout out to all at Ripple who worked tirelessly to secure our MPI license. Now, before I continue on, I just want to let you guys know that I now do have an affiliate deal with ExpressVPN. For those out there that are not running a VPN in crypto, I highly stress that you need to be running a VPN to do all your trades, to do anything around crypto. Hell, even outside of crypto, you should always be using a VPN for security. Again, right now, they are running a deal over on ExpressVPN through my link right now. Get an extra 3 months for free on the 12-month plan. If you guys do want to go check it out, you guys are more than welcome to. And of course, I always appreciate you guys supporting the channel through these affiliate links. Now, outside of this, here's the big announcement that everyone was probably anticipating. I'm sure that you guys are already aware of this announcement. It did happen on the 20th. We're honored to be added to the Central Bank of Ireland's list of registered virtual asset service providers, allowing us to provide digital asset services within Ireland. Guys, this is absolutely massive. And like I said, going all the way back to July, they were already planning this. Ripple means business when they tell you something. They got it. Now we are waiting for the UK. But we have from Stuart Alderati, capping off incredible momentum in 2023 with the Central Bank of Ireland approving Ripple as a registered VASP to offer compliant crypto services. Check this out. This year, we also received our full major payments institution license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and also the Dubai Financial Services Authority approved XRP for use by licensed institutions within the DIFC. This is all centered around and catering to institutions, the big money. This is a big deal. And just like Monica said, yes, this is all around compliant and innovative products for institutions. Hell, even Ripple said to scale customer use of on-demand liquidity. That's what these license means. This is big. This is big. And also, by the way, going back to the Singapore stuff, big shout out to Crypto Eddie. For those that actually missed this is all around institutional focused asset management. Yes, Ripple received its Singapore payments license. So did Tokenomics, who received an 8-figure USD investment from SBI Group and has $3.5 billion in assets under management. Institutional clients can invest in a range of leading crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Matic, and more. And again, the institutions, they are getting ready. They are focused. They are here. But going into this announcement, we can find some very interesting information. So initially, we do see registration will allow the enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions firm to provide certain digital asset services within Ireland. Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, today announced that the Central Bank of Ireland has added its Irish subsidiary, Ripple Markets Ireland Limited, Ripple Markets, to its list of registered virtual asset service providers. The decision will support Ripple's business since, as a registered VASP, Ripple Markets will be able to provide certain digital asset services within Ireland. Following the registration, Ripple will seek to provide services to clients across the European Economic Area once the markets in crypto assets regulation comes into force at the end of 2024, subject to the acquisition of other necessary licenses. What did I just tell you guys about 2024 with regulations? MiCA is going to be an accelerant for major regulations around crypto, and even Ripple is hinting at this around offering services within the European Economic Area. Ripple opened its Dublin office in 2022, recognizing that Ireland continues to position itself as a favorable destination for companies building new technologies for financial services. For instance, the CBI created an innovation hub in 2018 to allow fintech firms to engage with the regulator in a more informal manner. And the SVP Strategic Initiative said the Central Bank of Ireland's addition of Ripple Markets to its list of registered virtual asset service providers is a significant step forward for our business in the region. Ireland has positioned itself as a supportive jurisdiction for the virtual assets industry and consequently as a great place for businesses like Ripple to operate, reinforcing our decision to select Ireland as our primary base for EU regulation. By providing regulatory clarity for the industry, Ireland and the EU more broadly are boosting confidence in the digital assets, payments, and fintech ecosystem and demonstrating their commitment to the long-term development of these industries. Now, we do see that the registration in Ireland comes as Ripple continues to prioritize working with regulators around the world in order to bring the benefits of crypto and blockchain technology to enterprises and their customers. Ripple also secured its major payments institutions license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. In the US, Ripple has also obtained the majority of its 35 money transmitter licenses in 2023. MTLs are a powerful enabler to build and deliver best-in-class customer experiences. Again, they also expand it within the US. Additionally, in November, the Dubai Financial Services Authority approved the digital asset XRP for use within the Dubai International Financial Center. The move means that licensed virtual asset firms within the DIFC will now be able to incorporate XRP, the native asset of the XRP ledger, into the virtual asset services. As a key builder and user of the XRP ledger, Ripple views this approval as having the potential to unlock new regional payments and other virtual asset use cases on the XRP ledger. Guys, as we look at what is going on here, 2024 is going to be an incredible year for the compliant and the regulatory focused companies and initiatives within the space. And I'm not the only one that's looking at this. So we've seen a full report of the 2024 predictions from Ripple. We've asked 12 leaders at Ripple to look into their crystal ball and predict crypto and blockchain's future over the next 12 months. The policy director of the EMEA kicked off the 2024 predictions this week with this. This year has seen significant milestones in the development of crypto asset regulation across Europe and the Middle East. There have been obvious steps forward, such as the finalization of MiCA in the EU, the creation of crypto asset rulebooks in the UAE, and the bringing of crypto asset activity into financial services legislation in the UK. And there's an increased interaction between the private and the public sectors in developing concrete joint use cases for this technology. In the UK, the regulatory wheels are already in motion. And next year, we'll see consultations and proposals materialize into credible operational frameworks. The crypto industry, once on the outside, is building its connections with traditional finance, and responsible regulation will aid markets to function well. We are hopeful that 2024 will bring a new crypto spring with regulatory progress informed by private sector collaboration and new connections between academia, the public, and the private sectors. The EU will continue to lead by regulatory example as markets and crypto assets regulation enter the next steps of implementation. The European supervisory authorities will complete MiCA Level 2 and 3 rules, which will provide final certainty of its regulatory provisions, from asset classifications to license application, giving the industry confidence to invest and grow sustainably across the whole single market. And then also, over here, from the VP Managing Director at APAC, we have entering 2024, we are expecting to see a surge in institutional adoption of crypto by financial institutions, especially in the APAC region. This includes the greater usage of cross-border payments among companies. More than ever, leading Web2 companies and legacy payment institutions are investing resources to integrate blockchain utility into their services. Nearly half of APAC finance leaders expect blockchain to have a significant impact on business in the next 3 years. We also expect to see a recurring theme in APAC of more countries launching new regulator-led projects or pilot programs to embrace blockchain innovation. In 2023, Singapore and Hong Kong have taken huge strides in setting great examples of embracing blockchain innovation and effectively positioning themselves as global crypto hubs. And then also over here, we asked leaders at Ripple to weigh in on what they think 2024 holds. Today, we continue with Monica Long. In 2024, crypto will break the speculative hype cycles that have defined the booms and busts for the industry since Bitcoin's invention. Before the next crypto summer, we as an industry will break the cycle by paving the foundation for real-world utility at scale, which entails solving for compliance, usability, and integration with existing systems. The biggest breakthrough in 2024 will be pioneering compliance for decentralized finance. And guys, do you see what Ripple has been doing? Do you see the moves that they have made? They are actually behind this massive movement. Real world utility at scale is going to happen in 2024, as they are telling us right here. Obviously, yes, we have to wait and see if it happens. But guys, I'm very, very excited for 2024. And this is why crypto seems to be being taken more seriously. And I do think that as we look at assets like XRP, for an example, they are going to have a monumental year. This crypto winter is in fact a great season for serious builders, especially those who know modernizing the world's financial infrastructure with blockchain is inevitable. This is a massive statement by Monica Long, who is a key leader at Ripple, to work on solving serious real-world problems. Compliance and transparency in 2024, it's not enough to be compliance conscious. The industry must be compliance first, to keep our customers and users safe, gaining back the trust we've lost following some major industry blowback. The industry needs to build compliance tooling in a decentralized environment. It's the next frontier of innovation in blockchain. Integration within the past couple of years, we've seen many more traditional financial players such as Fidelity, BlackRock, PayPal, and Visa integrating or partnering with crypto native companies to offer crypto and blockchain services and products. The way forward is a happy marriage. Blockchain will not replace banks. The ability to settle payments instantly across borders without the need for a middleman charging exorbitant fees has benefits for both merchants and consumers alike. And crypto can provide this unparalleled utility for institutions. Greater usability. Most of the companies that we work with at Ripple love the benefits that they get from crypto, but ultimately don't want to be experts in it. They just want it to work. A crypto revolution cannot require billions of people to self-custody their assets, secure their secret keys, and trade on decentralized exchanges. We reached the tipping point for crypto to be recognized as mainstream, but we have yet to hit the breakout moment where institutional adoption for real-world utility takes off. 2024 can be that moment as long as we proceed with a compliance-first mindset, and they are doing that right now. Guys, I'm very excited for the future here for Ripple. But last but not least, we heard from Rahul Advani, the policy director at APAC as well. The focus from regulators in the APAC region for 2023 has been on working towards regulatory clarity for crypto by implementing guidelines with considerations around consumer protection and retail investor safeguards, market integrity, and business conduct requirements. We expect these initiatives to continue into 2024, with retail protections being a primary focus. Additionally, we expect to see more jurisdictions in the region provide the regulatory clarity that's needed to support innovation while ensuring consumer protection. In the coming year, we also foresee a regional trend that involves a more focused effort on developing CBDCs. Stablecoins will continue to be a regulatory priority, with an emphasis on ensuring a high degree of value stability. Finally, going into 2024, he expects that increased interest in tokenization will make regulation and decentralized applications all the more a priority in the region. So guys, things are going to move fast in 2024. It is going to be a monumental year for crypto. I strongly believe this. I will stand by it. And again, things are aligning perfectly around the space. Make sure that you are focused on what Ripple and XRP are doing and becoming, because they are an absolute giant combined. And I really do think that 2024 is going to have this market change quite a bit. It really is. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Peace out.